Good morning. Another day to try again in the world of football to make some money. Let's get started. The first game we have today is in France, where Lyon is taking on Strasbourg. And my prediction here is the home team to win either half, and that gives us a total of 1.47 odds. The next game we have is in England Amateur, where Barnet is taking on Chesterfield, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Moving on, we have a game in England Amateur League where Leicester is taking on Mikel Lovers, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in that England, we have a game between Needham Market taking on Stratford Town, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals at full time. Same league, we have a game between Whitby Town taking on Lancaster City, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals at full time. As you know, we have a premium channel where we share show us on daily basis. If you want to join us and win daily, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. And for those people that want to take their sport betting business seriously to the next level, we have a plan that we share only show to us on daily basis. If you want to join us and make money in the world of football, playing only to us, kindly chat me on WhatsApp. It's a paid service, not free. We give you show to us on daily basis. So let's get started over on WhatsApp. Then we move on to the next game, still in that England Amateur, where Chesham United is taking on Hanwell Town, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in that same league, we have a game between Whitehawk taking on Clay Wanderers over 2.5 goals. Then we move on to International Under 19 Champions League, where Mainz is taking on Manchester City, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to a game still in that International Under 19 Champions League. We have a game between Zelina taking on Copenhagen, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in that Under 19 International Champions League, we have a game between AZ Agma taking on FC Porto over 2.5 goals. That gives us a total of 10 matches, total of 93.54 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. These games are available on all the bookies around the world. Go to your local bookie and select this game. And then also I'll try and give you the booking code for 1xbet bet Niger, and then let's see if Betway South Africa will be available. Okay, let's go there and select the booking code for this game. Please use this opportunity to hit the like button, share this video with your friend, tag your friend in the comment section. I believe today game will give us some profit. All right, guys. The first booking code today will be 1xbet global. So wherever you are in the world, kindly use this booking code if you are using 1xbet and play this game. This takes time to convert, so just kindly be patient while this loads. Okay, this is the booking code for 1xbet users. As you can see, BHFFQ. That's the booking code for 1xbet users. Then we move on to Bet Niger, I think. Bet Niger users. Okay. Kindly drop your bookmaker in the comment section so that tomorrow I will book this game for you in your own bookmaker. Okay, this is the booking code for Bet Niger users. Thank you. Moving on, we have a game. We check Betway South Africa. So Betway South Africa. Let's see if they will have these games on their platform. Please do not forget to go to our YouTube channel and watch those tutorial videos. We also post our draw games on our YouTube channel. I will leave the comment. I will leave the link in the comment section. Okay, guys. This is taking long time to load, so let's see. If you have watched this video till this moment, kindly comment money line in the comment section. I want to know those people that watch my video till the end. I will have a gift for you next time. So just write money line in the comment section. Let me know those people that watch my video till the end. Okay, guys. Moving on. This is the booking code for Betway South Africa. As you can see, this is the booking code. You can copy this code and play. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys tomorrow.